Yeah, you should open it for the family. Open it.
I'm kind of nervous. Not gonna lie.
Sure, you read that letter.
Do you guys know anything about this? Oh.
Wait, new puppy. Please.
Read it.
My name is... Well, actually, I don't have a name yet. And I was hoping you could name me. I was born on November 17th with new mommy and daddy retriever, Maisie, who is nicknamed Maisie Girl, 50 pounds, and Lambo, 70 pounds. I have 7 brothers and sisters, but I'm one of the boys. There is a really cool video of us bonding with my dad. I saw that one.
Awesome. What do you mean?
Oh gosh. Oh, this is mommy and daddy.
I had to tell Autumn. I don't even care. Thank you.
Well, Lola, today's the day we go get Luka. What do you think about this? Huh? You ready to be a big sister? What do you think? You tell me. Oh, you're so ready, aren't you? Yes. You're gonna be such a good big sister.
Well, we're here in Harlan, Iowa. We're here to pick up our new puppy, Luka. Any thoughts on that, guys?
We're so excited. Our Christmas surprise is coming to fruition.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I just want to get there though. I'm pumped up.
All right, let's do it. Here we go.
Yeah, there's a baby. We're so excited.
Oh, we're in Retrieverland here in Harlan, Iowa. Here's little Luka.
I'd love to see you smile.